In this video, I'm going to be lettering 3 common greetings in Procreate. You can follow along in real time by downloading the free traceable Procreate practice sheet, just linked in the video description below, and it also contains the same brush that I'm going to be using. I won't be explaining all the strokes in this, so if you're new to iPad calligraphy and lettering, head over to iPadcalligraphy.com/workshop to watch my free on-demand training. In that 45-minute class, I cover the building blocks of calligraphy, how to get started the right way to avoid any bad habits, and the advantages that Procreate offers for digital lettering. Attendees also get a free goodies pack containing the hidden Procreate gestures cheat sheet, as well as calligraphy brush and shiny gold foil texture. Okay, so let's practice some lettering. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to download your free traceable practice sheet for Procreate. You'll find that in the description below. It includes stroke start dots and directional arrows to show you where to pick up your pencil. It also contains a pressure sensitive calligraphy brush. Thanks again and see you next time.